Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed and welcome to Ask4Summary, the Moodle question and answer service for courses. This video will pertain particularly to administrators, but if you are a teacher with site administration access, it still may be relevant to you. In this video, I'll be demonstrating quickly how to install Ask4Summary for your domain and what the installation process requires. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Prior to the installation, make sure the Moodle meets at least the minimum version required for the plugin. The first thing you'll need is a download of Ask4Summary. This can be retrieved from the Moodle plugin directory, and once the zip file is retrieved, there are several options for how the installation can continue. The first and easier method is to head over to your Moodle page. Once here, look for Site Administration on the left-hand side. Once you've reached Site Administration, head to Plugins and click Install Plugins. You can simply drag and drop the zip file into the file area, or you can use the File Picker button and upload a file, finding the zip file in your downloads or wherever you chose to save it. Once the zip file is selected, choose Install Plugin from the zip. You'll be prompted to click Continue and simply follow the preceding screens. The second method requires you to know where your Moodle installation is. Once you've found your Moodle folder, find the block subfolder contained within it. Once here, you can simply place the Ask4Summary folder found within the zip file itself. You may need administrator privileges to place the folder within that folder. You can, of course, also use the Install Plugins from the Moodle Plugins directory under Install Plugins in Site Administration if you have access to a Moodle account. As of March 18th, however, the plugin has not been uploaded to the Moodle plugin directory, so hopefully by the time you're watching this video it has been successfully submitted and approved. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.